Okay, this is what was sent to me by Zep and Crowdtap to check this new Miracle microwave cleaner out. So we're going to take it out of the box. We are going to come over here to the microwave. Spray it in here on the turntable. Whoops, sorry. And it says to activate it for a minute or two, which I'm going to do right now, and see what happens. So let's start it up. Okay. Waiting for it to get finished. So in the meantime, I am going to grab some paper towels, which are over here. Sorry, people. It smells good. It smells real good. So that's impressive enough.